What if everything you've been taught about money is wrong? Society tells us to go to school, get a good job, save money, and retire at 65. Yet, the richest people in the world didn't follow that path. They didn't trade time for money. They built systems, assets, and businesses that generated wealth while they slept. If you want to make $1 million, you must first unlearn society's conditioning and adopt the mindset, habits, and strategies of those who have already done it. This blueprint isn't about luck or shortcuts, it's about discipline, determination, and relentless execution. The traditional path promises security, but it often leads to mediocrity. Jobs have income ceilings, and hard work alone doesn't make you rich. Smart work does. The wealthy focus on ownership, leverage, and scalability, not just labor. Saving is important, but inflation eats away at cash. The ultra-wealthy don't hoard money, they invest it. $1 million isn't created by cutting coffee expenses, it's built by deploying capital into high-growth opportunities. This is a lie perpetuated to keep people stuck. Many millionaires started with nothing but an idea and relentless execution. They used skills, creativity, and leverage, other people's time, money, and resources to scale. This is a coping mechanism. While luck plays a role, most self-made millionaires got there through persistence, risk-taking, and value creation. They solved problems at scale, and were rewarded for it. Before you can make $1 million, you must think like a millionaire. That means believing it's possible. Most people don't. Taking responsibility, no blaming the economy, parents, or luck. Thinking in assets, not just income. Assets appreciate, labor depreciates. There are only a few real ways to make $1 million business scaling a profitable venture. Investing, compounding capital in stocks, real estate, or startups. High-income skills, consulting, sales, or digital services at scale. The fastest path? Combining all three. Discipline is doing what you need to do, even when you don't feel like it. Daily habits like reading, skill building, and networking are crucial. Delayed gratification means investing profits instead of spending them. Consistency is key, showing up every day, even when results are slow. Most people quit before the breakthrough. The difference between success and failure is often just one more try. Embrace failure because every no gets you closer to yes. Solve problems as money flows to those who fix things. Outlast the competition as many give up too soon. Safe choices lead to average results. Millionaires take calculated risks. Starting a side hustle while others watch Netflix. Investing in themselves through courses, mentors, and skills. Betting on their vision when others doubt them. Markets change, winners adjust, test fast, fail fast, iterate faster, shift strategies when something isn't working, and, stay ahead of trends like AI, e-commerce, and emerging markets. Learn a high-income skill such as sales, copywriting, coding, or digital marketing. Start freelancing or consulting so you can earn while you learn. Save every dollar possible to reinvest. Scale your service by hiring help automating tasks and raising prices. Invest in assets like stocks, crypto, or small business stakes. Build a personal brand through social media content and establishing your authority. Launch a scalable business such as e-commerce, SaaS, or coaching. Leverage debt wisely like through real estate or business loans. And network with winners including mentors, partners, and investors. Systematize income by using automation and delegation. Reinvest profits into scaling ads and hiring A-players. Finally, diversify by creating multiple streams of income. Making $1 million isn't about being the smartest or luckiest, it's about being the most disciplined, determined, and adaptable. Society's rules are designed for the masses, not for winners. The real question is, will you follow the herd, or will you build your own path? The blueprint is here, the choice is yours. Pick one action from this blueprint and execute it today. Momentum starts with the first step.